On the 25th of August 2024, the heart of Igbo land pulsed with life and culture as the Oba Ji festival unfolded at the Chuba Igbazo Stadium, Onitsha Anambra State, Nigeria. A dream long nurtured by the Igbo people, the festival became a living testament to the resilience, unity, and boundless energy of a community deeply rooted in tradition. Hello and welcome to Adamazi TV. Here we'll show you the details of what happened at Oba Ji Festival 2024. The festival was a kaleidoscope of Igbo culture, where the rich heritage of our ancestors was celebrated with an electrifying display of music, dance, and art.
The CEO is Adamazi The unmistakable beat of the Igbo drum resonated through the stadium, calling everyone to join in the dance. A dance that told stories of triumph, connection to the land, and the enduring spirit of the Igbo people. This year, the festival reached a new height, building on the success of its first edition. A more experienced team and a clear vision transformed the event into a perfect platform for showcasing the best of Igbo creativity. Artists, fashion designers, and models from across Igbo land brought their masterpieces to life. Each piece a tribute to the beauty and depth of our culture. for the adults, the Oba Ji festival embraced everyone, creating a family-friendly atmosphere where children could immerse themselves in the wonders of Igbo heritage. With every laugh and every shared moment, the festival became more than just an event. It became a bridge connecting generations, passing down traditions in the most joyous way. As the sun set over Onitsha, the festival left an indelible mark on everyone who attended. The Oba Ji Festival 2024 wasn't just a celebration, it was a reaffirmation of who we are as a people. Free for all and filled with the spirit of community, it reminded us that our culture is our strength and our unity is our power. This incredible celebration of Igbo heritage was brought to you by Adamazi TV. If you enjoyed this journey into our vibrant culture, make sure to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to share this video to spread the joy and pride of our people far and wide. If you want to showcase your cultural heritage to the world, reach out to us via our social media handles at Adamazi TV. Together, let's keep our traditions alive and thriving for generations to come.
Yeah.